Hello, namaste, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the second chapter of the book Vibrational Mindfulness, and the title of the chapter is Breathing and Mindfulness. These are short videos about the different chapters of my book, Vibrational Mindfulness. 1 minute in the now. Thich Nhat Hanh says about breathing. Breathing is a bridge that connects consciousness with life. Breathing is a bridge that connects consciousness with life. So let's breathe. Let's inhale 4 seconds in and 4 seconds out. Take your attention to the area of the heart. Feel your breath. For a moment, perceive yourself only feeling your breath. At this moment, be aware that you are connected to your breathing. Feel the area of your heart. You are now activating a language of direct perception, non-conceptual, just a direct perception of being in touch with yourself. So being in touch with the fact that you are alive. You are consciously touching your life. When a thought passes through your mind, let it pass, let it go, and remain curious about who you are when you're just feeling, touching life through the fact of being aware of your breath in the area of your heart. In this chapter, apart from explaining things about the breath from the teachings of Thich Nhat Hanh, I also share the technique of the Heart Math Institute called Heart Coherence technique. And I'm going to share it with you now. This institute, Heart Math, they have explored scientifically the heart and the way of reaching heart coherence, which is by definition the optimal psychological and physiological state you can have. And through the years they have reached to the conclusion that this technique I'm going to show you is the fastest, is the more effective to reset the nervous system and to place yourself in the best equilibrium and the best mm, place where you can be to be optimal in your performance. Uh, so let's do the technique. The first part is the breath. As I was saying at the beginning, 4 seconds, 4-5 seconds inhaling, 4-5 seconds exhaling. At least in the Western world, 99% of the people are breathing very swallow, just maybe 2 seconds in, 2 seconds out, and very superficial. And this way of breathing keeps the body in a stress. So we have to go back to the natural breath, the natural rhythm of our breath, which is this average of 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. So this is the first point of the technique. The second is feeling your breath in the area of the heart. And this is very important because we are moving consciousness from the left hemisphere, the mental body. We are coming down to the heart where we are able to center and have all the bodies, the physical, the mental, and the emotional, and the spiritual, vibrating at the same time. So very important to go from the mind, where we usually are, perceiving the breath in the area of the heart. And the third point is to tune yourself to a sensation of well-being, the best you can. And the easiest way is to use an image. For example, if I bring an image of nature, a beautiful image of nature, then I can feel the well-being, the tranquility, the harmony that this image, this space may transmit. And so we take this sense of well-being, and then we breathe here. 4-5 seconds inhaling, 4-5 seconds exhaling, feeling the area of the heart and feeling a sense of well-being. While we breathe here, our nervous system is going to be reset in less than 1 minute. When we practice this technique, with the idea of this technique to be the default way, the automatic way, our natural way of breathing and of being, and maybe you can feel yourself that the feeling is very agreeable, and we know that with this technique we are promoting our health, our physical body, our heart is working at its natural rhythm, and when the heart is going on its natural rhythm, everything else mm, does the same. And they are scientists, but it is obvious that this technique mm, has similarities to the technique, to the ancient technique of meditation. So science is showing us that all this knowledge we have from millennia, no? In India, for example, the old tradition of yoga meditation, and now the new science can demonstrate that in fact this help us to be and develop our best potential. So thank you for being here. Namaste to you all. See you in the next video.